Well, students, today's discussing subject is nature of roots. You know, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation, and you also know that x has two roots. So roots are x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. Okay, now b square minus 4ac, this is called discriminant of the roots. Now discriminant is described as d, capital D. Now the nature of the roots depends on the characteristics of the discriminant. So characteristics of the roots is explained with 3 points. First point is number 1, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Okay, real and unequal that means the distinct roots which are unequal. And number 2, if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Okay. Number 3 is if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. What happens then? If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, obviously you see that the discriminant will be negative. That means negative under the root which is imaginary. That's why the roots are imaginary. Okay. Now take an example. I'm taking an example to explain this. Number 1, let 4x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. If we compare it with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then what we get? We get a equals to 4, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to minus 3. Okay, therefore discriminant is d equals to b square minus 4ac, that means minus 5 square minus 4 into 4 into minus 3, which is equal to 25 plus 48. This is equal to 73. Now 73 is greater than 0, therefore d is greater than 0, which satisfies the condition 1. Therefore we can say the roots are real and unequal. Obviously you will get two different value of roots, okay, which are real. Example 2, you see, I am taking another example. Let root 3x square minus 5x plus 7 root 3 equals to 0. This is another equation of quadratic equation. Now if we compare it with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c, we get a equals to root 3, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to 7 root 3. Thus discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac. Putting the value of a, b, c, we get minus 5 square minus 4 into root 3 into 7 root 3 is equal to 25 minus 4 7s are 28 into 3 equals to 25 minus 84. This equals to 9 and 59 minus 15. This is the negative number, that means it is less than 0. Thus we say that the roots are imaginary. Okay, that means the roots are complex number. You will learn it in the higher class. Therefore the roots are imaginary. Okay, you practice it and then you will get another different type of examples and you will understand the nature of the roots clearly. Okay.